there! Once you create a marketing video, be it a live event recording or some special deal promotion, or maybe a video tutorial like this one, it's a good idea to share it using one of the most efficient marketing channels, email. There are many marketing researches that state that adding a video to your email can drastically improve its key performance metrics. My name is Maria, and today I'll show you how you can easily integrate a video into your next email blast using Wave.video and its new feature, email campaigns. Let's start. First, go to my videos and find a video that you want to include in your email. If you haven't uploaded or created a video yet, do so and remember to publish it. Then hover and click Dashboard on that video. Your first step is the player customization panel, where you can set a color for your player, switch on or off various controls, and choose a thumbnail for your video. Never leave it to chance, because it is what makes the first impression of your video. There are two ways to give your video an appealing cover. Pick a nice frame from the video itself and hit Use Current Frame, or upload a picture from your computer. I'll go for the second option. Now, on the right, you get the preview of how your video will look like everywhere you post it, including your emails. Now, hop on the Email Campaign tab. You might already know that most of the email clients can't replay videos directly inside emails. So technically, it's an image or an animated GIF added to an email and linked to the page where the video lives. This is exactly what Wave.video does for you. Here on the right, you get a preview of how your video embed will look like. First, you can set the size of the thumbnail. I'll make it 600 pixels so that it takes the full width of my email. Second, decide if you want to add a play button to the cover image or not. I'll keep it on because this element shows that there is a video behind the image and triggers clicking on it. Click-through rates up, that's what we want. You can also download the image to use it somewhere else. Then, add a link to the page where you want to lead your email readers further. By default, you'll get the link to the video landing page that was automatically generated when you uploaded and published your video. Depending on your campaign purposes, define the next web destination for your readers. I'll leave the link to the video landing page, as my goal is to invite the audience to watch the full video. The next important action is to add URL parameters to track the performance of your campaign in Google Analytics. Click on Build a URL parameter and fill out the required fields with your campaign data. Once you click Add Parameters, all tags will be automatically added to the link. Now you have a ready-to-use code snippet that you can integrate into your email. Hit Copy Code and go to your email marketing platform, such as, for example, MailChimp. Here I have a semi-ready email that I want to complete with my video. I add a code block and paste my code from Wave.video in there. That's it. The email is ready. Let's preview it. Looks great, doesn't it? Remember to craft a compelling subject line and a catchy copy for the preview text. I recommend using these elements to announce that there is a video inside the email. This is a surefire way to improve the open rate and get more views. I hope this video was useful for you. I wish you great results with your email campaigns and overall marketing efforts. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.